First time watching it for the first time, very excited. Amir sir has personally invited me, so I was like, I have to come and see this movie for sure. Hearing some really good things about it, so I'm going to go now. I think it's going to start very soon. Really nice to hear. I think she's a terrific actress. So looking forward to seeing her again. So yeah.
Also, Shraddha, there's a new law being enforced, by the government saying that the Marathi film should be showcased in multiplexes from 6 to 9 p.m. and that's like a compulsory thing that's been made. How would you react to that as an actor?
I've actually not heard about this also, so I wouldn't be able to comment on this. I think it's correct to comment on something only when you're well informed about it, so I'm not aware
It's
of
actually
it.
quite simple. In every multiplex from the 6 to 9 slot,
Yeah.
the prime time, there will be a Marathi film that has to be showcased.
It's cool. I think it's great. I mean, if that is, I'm half Maharashtrian also, so I'm all for Marathi cinema. And fingers crossed, one day even I'll do a Marathi film. I mean, I think that'd be interesting also.
How's ABC shaping up now?
Really good. It's made me all slim and trim, and going to see the promo. Really, 24th of April, the promo is going to be out. So hope you guys enjoy. See you guys. Thank you.
एक्चुअली ये फिल्म जो है पहले किरण जी ने देखी और किरण जी ने इतनी तारीफ की ये फिल्म देख के और मुझसे उन्होंने ज़बरदस्ती कहा कि ये फिल्म आपको देखनी ही देखनी है। तो मैं भी सोचा था कि क्या बनाया सोनाली ने इतनी एक्साइटेड थी किरण मुझे दिखाने के लिए, तो मैंने फिर फिल्म देखी और मुझे बेहद पसंद आई। इतनी खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाई है सोनाली ने और बहुत ही दिल को छू लेने वाली कहानी है। रियली टचेस योर हार्ट। अच्छा, कमाल की बात यह है कि अक्सर मैं अलग अलग जगह जाता हूँ तो मुझे कई दफ़ा कुछ लोगों ने ये सवाल पूछा है कि हिंदी फिल्मों में तो कई जगह मैं जाता हूँ तो लोगों ने मुझे ये सवाल बार बार पूछा है कि आमतौर पे हिंदी फिल्मों में जो लोग डिफरेंटली एबल्ड होते हैं या इनको हम डिसेबल्ड कहें, डिफरेंटली एबल्ड कहें, वो हमारे मेन कैरेक्टर्स कभी नहीं होते। आमतौर पे वो हमारे मेन कैरेक्टर्स नहीं होते, हम उन पे कहानी नहीं बनाते। लेकिन ये एक फिल्म है जिसमें जो लीड कैरेक्टर है शी इज़ गॉट सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी, जो दूसरी लीड कैरेक्टर है वो विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड है, नज़र नहीं आता उसको। तो इन दो लोगों की कहानी इतनी कमाल की कहानी है और इस फिल्म में इतना होप है। सच ए इंस्पिरेशनल फिल्म, इट्स वेरी अपलिफ्टिंग फिल्म। तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इस फिल्म के बारे में कि ना सिर्फ ये बहुत ही जज्बाती कहानी है, लेकिन आपको यू गेट अप विद द फीलिंग ऑफ विद अ लॉट ऑफ फीलिंग ऑफ अपलिफ्टमेंट। वेरी वेरी फाइन फिल्म।
Your directorial debut was also a similar film.
Mine?
Yeah.
Well, not really. I think this film is more bold, more it's saying a different thing. I mean, I think Tare Zameen Par also is a very wonderful film. Script especially that Amol wrote was very 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 sensitive. This is not like that. No, it's different.
But
It's
Shraddha,
different.
is some part inspired by Nanavati Murder case also?
I beg pardon.
Nanavati Murder?
Yeah.
No.
Nothing?
Nothing to do with
I
it.
don't know
It's
who
an
that
original
is.
concept. I've been removing from the
I don't actually. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I don't know who you're talking about.
No, nothing to do with it.
Sir, you've been a very good friend to Kamal Hassan nowadays, but again he's into some trouble saying that
Oh.
Kamal Hassan, sir.
What trouble?
Sir, you have been friends with him now because recently there was news saying that Amir and Kamal is back friendship. But now Hindu Vishnu Parishad said that Uttama karke unki movie hai, Uttama villain. So,
Should we talk about this film?
sir, come on. Please.
Let's talk about this film.
Shonali, it's coming during the IPL. It is an independent film. IPL is 8 years old now. But is there a sense of competition? Or was it a conscious decision to pick this particular slot to use your film?
Well, it's Viacom 18 who decided what the release dates would be, so I'm sure they keep all these things into consideration. I think you look at more what are the other films coming out at that time, and I think the feeling is that IPL hots up in May, and this is kind of a good time that they felt. Yeah.
आमिर अब रिसेंटली मराठी फिल्म देखने आए थे और मराठी फिल्मों के लिए प्राइम टाइम का ये अलग आपको क्या लगता है कि बॉलीवुड फिल्मों पे कितना असर पड़ेगा अगर प्राइम टाइम मराठी फिल्मों को देना और कितना जरूरी है आपके हिसाब से?
मुझे पता नहीं इसके लिए लॉ बनाने की ज़रूरत है या नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं, क्योंकि आमतौर पे जो थिएटर्स होते हैं, जो लोग जब कोई ऑडियंस एक फिल्म को पसंद करती है तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसको शोज़ मिलते हैं। तो आई डोंट नो कि इसके लिए लॉ बनाना ज़रूरी है या नहीं, बट आई एम डेफिनेटली इन सपोर्ट ऑफ रीजनल सिनेमा। और खुशी की बात यह है कि हिंदुस्तान में वाकई रीजनल सिनेमा इतना वाइब्रेंट है, हम अलग अलग भाषाओं में फिल्में बनाते हैं, तो ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है।
Also,
Shobha
Shonali
is
and
receiving a lot of flack for whatever she said. It was her, expression. She
About what?
About
Actually, I have no idea what's happening.
So basically, Shobha Dev had tweeted saying that the government is forcing such sort of rules on us Mumbaikars, and they're forcing us. So they say like it's zabardasti. So that is what she had mentioned in her tweet, for which she got a notice from Shiv Sena and BJP saying that she should write an apology letter. So we would want to know, from Shonali and from you as well, Amir, that how.
यार ये बहुत कमाल की फिल्म बनाई है सोनाली जी ने, और मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है, मैं बाकी मुद्दों पे कभी भी बात कर सकता हूँ, ये फिल्म ओवरशैडो हो जाएगी ये सब मुद्दों से, तो आप लोग भी ये फिल्म को सपोर्ट करिए और सवाल मत पूछिए, और 2-4 सवाल इस फिल्म के बारे में पूछिए। मैं चाहता हूँ कि ये फिल्म लोग देखें, इतनी कमाल की फिल्म बनाई है, और आप लोग का भी ये काम बनता है कि आप लोग ऐसी अनयूजुअल फिल्म्स को सपोर्ट करें, है ना?
Amir, according to you, what was the best part of this movie?
I think the story, the script, the performances, Kalki's done a wonderful job. I think in every department, the script, the film has really shines out. Really shines out. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
No, wait. Yeah, sir.
Just 1 second, let the photographer.
Have you already watched the movie or are you watching it for the first
First
time?
time. I've read the script long back. Very happy this film is finally finished and coming out. I've been watching it. And I know, like, Kalki is probably finest performance. I've seen her preparing for it.
Looking at the trailer, we really know that she stepped out of her comfort zone in a way.
I think she
we don't
was-
see any actor.
I don't know what you're saying, but my thing is I've known her more than you have. I know she's looked for this role, and this is something she wanted to do more than anything she's done in the past. And I've seen her prepare for it.
Also,
So I'm dying to see it on screen.
Also, Anurag, the recent thing that's been, that's been
Marathi
referenced
films are
yesterday
getting
about the Marathi films that the government made.
It's good, na yaar. Out of 5 screens, one screen, one show of a Marathi film is very good for the regional cinema.
Right. But also at the same time, someone like Shobha Dev who wrote something on Twitter, she's getting notices from.
Yeah, I have no idea about all those things. Other people's business, I have stopped getting into. It's not my business.
Also, Bombay Velvet is in a sense releasing during the IPL. So, can we say that your main protagonist is kind of braving the IPL in a sense this time?
There's nobody, anybody. Our film is coming out at time. It is ready. It should come out, and it's got nothing to do with anything. I think if a film is good, it will work. Whether it's the IPL or the World Cup. We had so many films that are working during the World Cup.
Honestly speaking, whatever have you done before also, people always speak about it when in a positive way or in a negative way. When Bombay Velvet का trailer जब भी बाहर आया, people are saying that it is not that expected because after earlier the
Yeah, देखो
expectation
एक दिन film बाहर आएगी ना. For me, I'm ready to answer all questions when they see the film. Right? Till then, let anybody say anything they want to do.
But very Johnny Balraj, very Johnny Balraj, you come here.
I have no idea. I'm not his manager.
And how do you plan to promote Bombay Velvet since it's one of the biggest?
I am not
films of
planning. The marketing people are planning it. I am right now still mixing it.
Anurag, you are somebody who fiercely supported independent films. This time during IPL, you will see as many as 4 independent movies.
Very good films coming out.
I
I think it's good time. I feel like IPL is going to scare away the mainstream movies. It's a good time for indie movies to come out. Like Court is coming out, Monica and the Straw is coming out. 2 of the movies that I'm looking forward to the most are coming out together. And really, I think that 17th, the day that both the films are coming out, is going to be a very good day, a golden day in the history of independent film.
So my question is, sir, do you think independent film have now the confidence to take on something like an IPL?
Yes, sir.
Cricket fans?
Nothing, anything can take on the IPL. It's not about. I'm saying if your content is good, you will survive. IPL 20 ओवर का मैच है ना, एक दिन में एक मैच होता है ना, 3 घंटे देखते हैं ना लोग, बाकी के 21 घंटे क्या करेंगे? चक थोड़ी ना मारेंगे, पीछे देखने जाएंगे ना.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that.